against the community. Katulad ng nakasakay ka sa jeep, nakalagay na bawal manigarismo, nagsisigarismo pa. Tapos maliwala pa, dinagay mo doon sa pinakabit na ng sigarilyo. Public offenses against the community mo. Sinisira mo ng environment, ng social mayor. Pati katabi mo, nagkaroon ng lung cancer dahil sa iyo. Awat-awat na rin siya. Okay, I was studying philosophy. Kasi I studied, in my undergrad, I studied at International University. And my master's in mathematical philosophy, I studied at UPD. Wow. Grabe ka din yung requirements sa practical exams ng mathematical philosophy. Grabe ang naubos ko kayo sila time. 2 packs of cigarettes a day. Ito, nagbalat ang malakas.
Nagbalat.
Kung may magsolve ako ng equation, grabe yung masyado. But that was only during the time that very careful in the skill. I was studying at the same time, I was also teaching, I was working. I was also working as the executive assistant of the office of the chancellor and in I was also teaching in UP. That was my sure na mga preparation. Pero hindi ako nag-reward siya. I have to make sure that I confine myself in a place where I cannot really affect other people. Something ganyan. Kaya tayo, kung mag-music kayo, hindi yun nailigay. Sorry ha.
Nag-sorry ka pa?
Anong dalawa na pa?
Last number.
Next. Number 5. Or, ito mo, yung pagkatapos ng basura. Another example is yung pagkatapos ng basura. Pagkakalagyan, ano ito tayo dito?
Sunshine.
Or, halimbawa, pag sila ng mubukan, nakakapinig at noise pollution. Pero, kasama niya ito, okay? Ay, tayo nagandang talaga siya din. Number 5. Breach of contract. Number 5 is